Bakit kailangan ng Dr. Vita Barley with Chlorella araw-araw? Madami na ang sakit ngayon na nagiging causes ng early death. Tataka tayo, bakit pabata ng pabata ang mga nagkaka-stroke, diabetes at cancer na nagpapaikli ng ating lifespan? There's a perfect supplement to address all of these for a longer life. Did you know na ang Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder can help and manage illnesses to extend your life? Why Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder? We all know that barley is a superfood rich in fiber and cancer-fighting properties. But barley is the only superfood here in this world that can help promote long life. Dr. Vita Barley Pro and Powder also have other superfoods: Caschlorella, wheatgrass, and fucoidan. So, it's just not one, but 3 superfoods in one supplement. Here is why you should take Dr. Vita Barley every day. Number 1, barley has high fiber content. May prevent gallstones. Gallstones are solid particles that form spontaneously in the gallbladder. Gallbladder is a small organ that is located under the liver. The gallbladder produces bile acids, which your body uses to digest fat. In most cases, gallstones does not produce symptoms. However, from time to time, large gallstones get stuck in a duct of your gallbladder, causing intense pain. Such cases often require surgery to remove the gallbladder. The type of insoluble fiber found in barley may help prevent the formation of gallstones and reduce the likelihood of gallbladder surgery. Number 2, barley may also lower cholesterol levels. The beta-glucans found in barley have been shown to reduce LDL, which is the bad cholesterol, by binding to bile acids. Your body removes these bile acids, which your liver produces from cholesterol. Your liver must then use up more cholesterol to make new bile acid, in turn lowering the amount of cholesterol circulating in your blood. Number 3, reduces the risk of stroke and lowering cholesterol levels. Whole grains are consistently linked to better heart health. Therefore, it should come as no surprise that regularly adding barley to your diet may lower your risk of heart disease. That's because barley may lower risk factors. In addition to reducing LDL, which is your bad cholesterol, barley-soluble fiber may also bring down blood pressure levels. In fact, a recent review of randomized controlled studies observed that an average intake of 8.7 grams of soluble fiber per day may be linked to a modest 0.3 to 1.6 millimeter mercury reduction of blood pressure. High blood pressure and high LDL cholesterol levels are 2 known risk factors for heart disease. Thus, reducing them may protect your heart. Number 4, magnesium and soluble fiber may protect from diabetes. Barley may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by lowering blood sugar levels and improving insulin secretion. This is in part due to the barley's rich content in magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an important role in insulin production and your body's use of sugar. Barley is also rich in soluble fiber, which binds with water and other molecules as it moves through your digestive tract, slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Research shows that a barley breakfast provides a lower maximum rise in blood sugar and insulin levels than a breakfast consisting of other whole grains such as oats. Number 5, may help prevent colon cancer. A diet rich in whole grains is generally linked to a lower likelihood of many chronic diseases, including certain cancers, especially that of the colon. Again, barley's high fiber content plays a central role. Its insoluble fiber specifically helps in reducing the time food takes to clear your gut, which appears particularly to prevent colon cancer. Additionally, soluble fiber may bind to harmful carcinogens in your gut, removing them from your body. Other compounds found in barley, including other antioxidants, phytic acid, phenolic acids, and saponins, may further protect against cancer or slow its development. Ang dami, di ba? Do you want to know kung kaya ng Dr. Vita Barley ang current health condition mo? Like and follow us for part 2 ng Wonders of Chlorella.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Barley Pro and Powder ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.